another instrumental. But before, I'm Miss Melissa, and I am going to be showing you how to do next instrumental. It's going to be a monkey. Yes, it's going to be a monkey instrumental. I'm going to show you every single detail, and I'm going to tell you guys what you will need, and we will create it together. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you what you guys need, and let me go ahead and show you everything. So you're going to need glue, scissors. If you use scissors, please be very careful. Use an adult. I don't want anybody getting hurt. You're going to need markers. You're going to need paper. You're going to need 2 paper plates. And you're going to need rice and beans. You could just use beans if you want. Okay? And for your markers, you can use any colors. I'm just going to be using brown and black. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So let me go ahead and let's get started and show you how to do this. I'm actually going to be using, I added another color because this, I feel like it's kind of like neutral color. So first off is with my neutral color, I'm going to do the shape of the monkey here in the plate. It's going to be in back of the plate, so back here. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this, I'll show you guys, sort of like the heart to make like the eye section. So I'm going to go like this, and like this. So sort of like a heart. After you guys have done that, you guys are going to make like a big circle. So like this. Okay. Now you're going to grab your marker, and you're going to color it all through here, like the outside, everything's brown. So let me go ahead and do this, and then I'll show you guys right now. Okay guys, so now it's done. I even did some little ears, and I did it with this color, but I outlined it with the black because it was kind of hard to see. Okay, now that we have finished that, you're going to grab your white paper, and we're going to draw some eyes, okay? So let me go ahead and do that. Then we're going to cut them out. You're going to do them about pretty big. Okay, so now let me go ahead and show you guys. Let me just finish coloring it in. Okay, so now I did my eyes. Now I'm gonna cut them out. Be very careful with the scissors, please, guys. now that we have our eyes, we're gonna glue them. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab my glue, and I'm going to put it on the plate. Oh, I think my glue is closed. Let's open it. Huh. Sometimes these glues get like stuck. So yeah, see, let me go ahead and grab a pencil or a pen, and I'm gonna poke it. Because I feel like sometimes glue gets stuck there, so it doesn't let it come out. Because it is open. Okay, so let me just go ahead and open it like this. Yeah, see, so there's a lot of glue in there. It's okay. I'm just gonna grab and pour a little. There we go, and then on this side. Okay, now I'm gonna put the eyes. One here, and then one there. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Oh, it's looking pretty. Okay, now I am going to grab my black marker, and I am going to do the face. I'm also going to draw this and cut it out. With the same paper I used, I'm gonna do them out. Okay, so here's my mouth. Now I'm just gonna grab my scissors. Be very careful, please. And I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so let me go ahead and put glue. I finished cutting my mouth. Now I'm gonna grab glue. I'm gonna grab and stick it, okay? But believe me, my mouth feels a little too big. But it's okay. Okay, so there we go. Yee! Now I'm going to do a little nose. Oh, maybe I should do the nose this color? A lighter color? Okay, so here is my nose. So you guys can color all this brown if you guys want. I'm actually just gonna leave it like that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my other plate and put it back to back, and I'm gonna glue it, except this top part I'm not gonna glue it completely, okay? So I'm gonna leave like a little section open. That way I can put through there my beans, or I mean my bean and rice. So let me go ahead and do it, guys. Let me just close my glue and try it and see if I can make it now come out. Nope. It's still not coming out. Nope. Not working at all, so let me just do it this way, guys. I don't know why it's not wanting to come out, so at the very edge, we're gonna grab and go along with glue and put it there. Okay. And now we're going to glue this just like that. And I made sure that at the top, I left the top section open. So let me go ahead and wait for it to dry a little, and then we'll see the final result. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so it has now dried up. Now I'm just gonna open it here at the top to be able to put the rice and the beans. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make sure to close it at the top, and then you just make some shapes, and you can also use it like as a palm. So put it in your hand, and then or you can also just go like. To make this more interesting, if you don't want to hold it like with your hand like that, and you don't want to do that, you can also grab a popsicle stick, put it here, and then just go. You can add more beans and rice. I just added a little, but that way it sounds and makes noise. Then you're just gonna go. Oh wait, sorry guys. So like that, and then. So that's how it should sound, guys. You can add whatever you want to it. Make it more noisier. Make it exactly with a little bit of beans, just like I did. Put the popsicle stick if you want. That way you don't have to be like, like carrying it around. But that's your second instrumental. Well, I hope that you guys liked it. And thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.